Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Nama aku Rio, and this is The Mirror. So guys, malam ini aku mau mengajak kalian untuk merasakan sensasi horor yang sangat-sangat anti-mainstream, karena tingkat seramnya itu jauh dari hantu-hantuan video penampakan, yaitu mendengarkan rekaman telepon 911 yang terseram. Dan aku rasa kayaknya kita semua udah paham lah dengan panggilan telepon 911 di Amerika Serikat. Tapi kalau misalnya ada yang belum tahu, 911 adalah panggilan telepon darurat milik Amerika Serikat, yang mana jika seseorang membutuhkan bantuan, entah dia dalam bahaya atau dia melihat ada orang lain yang dalam bahaya dan membutuhkan bantuan kepolisian, maka mereka harus menelpon 911. Well, bukan cuma Amerika, seluruh negara di dunia pun punya nomor darurat. Indonesia pun juga punya. Kalau di Indonesia sendiri, ini beberapa nomor-nomor darurat yang bisa kalian hubungi ketika kalian butuh bantuan. Nah, kenapa aku bilang rekaman 911 ini level seremnya itu jauh dari hantu-hantuan dan video-video penampakan yang biasa kita lihat? Itu karena rekaman ini rekaman asli yang benar-benar terjadi pada orang-orang biasa kayak kita juga. Dan kalian bayangkan aja, kalian mendengar suara orang lagi nelpon polisi ketika dia dalam bahaya, dan mungkin itu juga waktu yang sama ketika ajalnya menjemput. Dan aku bisa jamin ketika kalian mendengarkan rekaman 911 yang terseram ini, emosi kalian entah itu takut, was-was, kasihan, sedih, pasti akan keluar dan bercampur aduk menjadi satu. Enough talk, and now let's get to the list. Before video selesai, The Mirror Mode. Silakan. Rekaman pertama adalah panggilan darurat 911 di Long Beach, California, dari seorang pria berusia 35 tahun yang bernama Scott Change. Di mana pada malam hari tanggal 9 Desember tahun 2015, jam 1 malam dia melihat ada seseorang yang membobol rumah tetangga di depan rumahnya. Dalam rekaman berdurasi 13 menit yang katanya tanpa diedit ini, awalnya hanya bercerita tentang pelaporan Scott bahwa ada orang yang membobol rumah tetangganya. Tapi tiba-tiba rekaman itu berubah menjadi suasana yang sangat mencekam dan mengerikan. Bahkan dikatakan di ending rekaman ini, semua kejadian di dalam telepon itu menjadi misteri dan tanda tanya besar yang tidak terpecahkan sampai sekarang. Aku sendiri belum dengar rekamannya, jadi kita dengar bareng-bareng.
911, what is your emergency?
Hello. I think someone's trying to break into my neighbor's home.
Okay, what is your name, sir?
Scott.
Scott
Scott
Chance.
Chance.
Chance. Alright, Mr. Chance, can you tell me where you're calling from?
Yes. California, Long Beach, Seawind Drive by Westminster Boulevard, 719.
Very well. Mr. Chance, are you currently looking at your neighbor's home?
Yes I am. I'm staring right at it.
Can you please relate to me exactly what you are seeing, Mr. Chance?
Yeah, I can. Jim, that's my neighbor, Jim.
Jim Duggan, nama
He and
teman
his wife left for his
tetangganya.
parents-in-law just yesterday. They live in Texas. He'll be gone for like a week, so he gave me the key to his place because he's expecting a delivery tomorrow. And he said he's got no one to be there for it, so he asked me if I could do it, and I said yes. Now, I was just outside having a smoke, and I was just walking inside, and I noticed I was looking at his living room's window. I could see it from my porch. The curtains are open and everything, and I saw something move inside. So I waited for a little while to make sure my eyes weren't playing tricks on me, and sure enough, not even 10 seconds later, I saw a silhouette moving across the room. And then a few more seconds later, it happened in the upstairs bedroom. On both of them.
Jadi ada
One
orang di
after
dalam
the
rumah
other.
temannya.
A figure moving around. I know the lights inside are on, so I'm thinking this, it could very well be burglars or something. We've had a few occurrences around here lately, so yeah, that's what I'm thinking. So I came inside and I turned all my lights off and I called 911.
I see. Mr. Chance, can you see the front door of Mr. Dugan's home? Is there any sort of sign of forced entry?
No signs of forced entry. The door is closed and everything. He's got a back door, but I can't see it from here. Maybe that's how they went inside. Wait, I just saw something.
What did you see?
Oh shit, I see him. A man, a person. I see him. He's walking away from Jim's house, from the back.
Oh, dia keluar.
Man.
Can you describe this person, Mr. Chance?
He's dressed all in black. I can't really tell what he's wearing. He's got his face covered too. Oh man, this isn't good.
Mr. Chance, I'm gonna
Hold
call...
on, I think he's moving to the other house. Hang on.
Alright.
I don't think Susan's home, but this is not good. Hang on.
Rumah Susan berarti di sebelah rumah Jim. Suara pecahan
That
kaca.
was him. He's breaking in. That's Susan Greer's house. She lives right next to Jim. He probably broke her back window. I think that's what I heard. Shit, this is bad. Can you send the police over, please?
I'm going to contact the local unit and send them your way, Mr. Chance. In the meanwhile, I'm gonna need you to stay on the phone with me.
Polisinya
and
nggak
update
langsung
me on the
manggil
situation.
polisi
Is that all
untuk
right?
datang ke sana.
Yes, of course, of course.
All right, hang on for a few seconds, please.
All right.
Mr.
Takut,
Chance?
Scott.
Yes, I'm here.
Sir, I'm sorry to inform you that at the moment, all our units have been dispatched. There's been an accident at the 405 by Inglewood as a result of a car crash, and there's a pileup, several dozens of cars. So unfortunately, we've got everyone over there, and there doesn't seem to be an available unit to assist you. Now, with that said,
What? Are you serious? There's not a single officer or whatever you can send?
Like I said, Mr. Chance, the accident that happened at the 405 is very serious, so all of our men are there.
Okay. But still, I mean,
Weird.
what now? This guy's just going to go around freely robbing all of us? I mean, what now?
While our officers are dealing with the accident, I'm going to stay on the line with you, Mr. Chance. I've got
Cuma
my
di
colleague here
telepon
on
itu
the
nggak
phone with
membantu,
the captain
Pak.
over there, and as soon as possible, we'll send a unit to your location. But for now, we are going to deal with this together. All right, Mr. Chance?
Fine.
I'll walk you through the situation when need be, okay?
All right.
Very well. Thank you for understanding, Mr. Chance. Now, the first thing you need to do is quietly and discreetly lock all of your doors.
I already did that. That was the first thing I did. I turned off all the lights and I locked all the doors.
Very well. That's good. Where are you right now in your house?
I'm upstairs in my bedroom.
Okay, good. This is how we need to stay for right now, okay? No light and no noise. Don't bring any attention to yourself.
All right.
Okay, what can you tell me about Susan's house? Any movement going on inside?
Yeah, occasionally. I just saw shadows moving around upstairs in the
Oh.
bedroom. It's like someone's walking about, looking for something or...
Mr. Chance, were those gunshots?
Fuck, they were.
Where did they come from?
They came from the house of the guy that lives next to Jim. I forget his name. Oh, Jesus. There's more than one? There's someone still over at Susan's.
Listen,
What's
Mr.
going on
Chance,
here?
you need to stay calm. I know it's easier said than done, but it's important that you remain calm. I'm here with you. I'm helping you through this, okay?
Okay. I think the guy, the one whose house the shots came from, I think he once told me he owned a gun. I think maybe that was him.
Can you look out the windows, Mr. Chance? If so, tell me what you see. And remember, stay inconspicuous.
Okay, I will.
Lingkungan yang keras sekali, guys.
I don't see anything in the guy's house. All the lights are off. Nothing's happening. Susan's... What the... There's a light in Susan's house. There's a light inside one of the bedrooms.
Do you see anyone inside?
No, I can't see anyone. But the light, it's flickering. Looks like it could be a candle.
Are you sure it's actually coming from inside the house? It could just be a reflection of something.
Yeah, I'm sure. It's definitely inside one of the bedrooms. It's just dancing around inside there. That's a candle, I'm sure. Could it... What if maybe she was home? Maybe that's her. Could it be?
I don't know, Mr. Chance. Can you see anything at all inside now with the light? Shadows, figures, anything?
No, nothing. I don't see anything. I can kind of see inside a little bit, but nothing. No one. What about the police unit? When can they come?
Iya, aneh banget sih.
Well, Mr. Chance, I'm keeping in touch with my colleague
Bahkan
here.
satu
He's keeping
orang
me
pun nggak
updated on
bisa
the accident
datang ke
situation,
rumah.
and it looks like we might have a unit available for you shortly.
Oh, yes, thank you. How long will it take?
The information I have is that it may take 15 to 20 minutes.
20 minutes? Jesus.
I'm sorry, Mr. Chance. Unfortunately, that's the best we can arrange for right now.
Lama
But again, I will stay with you on the line until the police get there, okay?
All right, thank you. They gotta hurry up, though.
I'm sure they will, Mr. Chance.
Yeah. Wait, you hear that?
Hear what? Hear what, Mr. Chance?
Listen.
Aduh, aku merinding.
What is it you're hearing, Mr. Chance?
It's coming from Susan's house. Someone talking. Sounds like a man, but I can't understand a word he's saying. That's not even English, I don't think. Can't really hear it very well, though. Oh, what the?
I'm hearing it now as well.
No, that was another one.
Another one?
Someone in the other guy's house, the one next to Jim. Oh God, I didn't even notice the light. It's like there's also a candle in there in one of the rooms. You're hearing this voice? It's coming from there.
You're right. It doesn't sound like English.
Sounds like chanting, doesn't it? Like in a church or something. Just listen, be quiet and listen.
Aku nggak denger sih.
This is very peculiar.
Something very strange is going on here. I could really use some help here, man.
I understand. We're doing the best we can to provide that. I just need you to wait and stay calm for now.
Oh, fuck.
What's wrong? What's happening?
No.
Ada apa?
Scott,
Ada apa? Ada
what
apa, Pak?
happened? Tell
Ada
me
apa, Pak?
what's going on.
I think he saw me.
Who? Who saw you?
Someone in Jim's house. I looked over at his bedroom window and there was someone right there. I think he was staring right back at me.
Oh
It looked
my
like
God.
he must have seen me, I'm sure. There's no way he didn't see me. He was facing me, my window.
Okay,
He had to
okay,
see me.
Scott.
He was literally facing me.
Scott,
Oh my God.
listen. Stay calm. Don't panic. You need to be thinking clearly now. First thing you need to do is find something to protect yourself with, okay? Preferably something long range to avoid close contact. A baseball bat, a sturdy broom, whatever you can find. Something resilient.
Okay, I have a baseball bat in my closet.
Good. Go get it, Scott.
Okay.
Now, Scott, if that person did in fact see you, it does not automatically mean that you're in danger. At this point, it's just a possibility. But still, in any event, we need to be prepared. So this is just a safety precaution.
Okay, I understand.
Lumayan menegangkan sih.
I got it. I got the bat.
Very well. Is there any place where you can hide in your house, Scott?
Jangan
Like
lemari.
an attic or a
Jangan
cellar?
lemari.
I have both. Which one should I go to? Which one is safer?
Well, do you get any signal on your phone in the cellar?
No. I hardly get any signal there. I hadn't thought of that.
Alright, then you're going to have to head on into the attic.
Alright. What else do I need? Is there anything else?
I think for now that's about all we need. We're heading into the attic and staying put until the police arrive, okay? Sound good?
Yes, okay. Going into the attic now.
Alright,
Sak
you're
napas
doing
dengan.
great so far, Scott.
Thanks, and thanks for the help so far, man. I really appreciate it.
You're welcome. I'm here to help.
Yeah, I'm not sure I caught your name there, by the way, so...
My name is Adam. Adam Harrington.
Alright, Adam, thanks again.
Not a problem.
Okay, I'm here by the attic. I'm going in.
Good. You should be safe up there. Oh, Scott, I just got a word from my colleague.
Yeah?
He says they were able to allocate 2 officers, so a unit has already been dispatched to your location. They should be there in about 5 minutes or so.
Jesus Christ!
Scott, what was that? Scott, talk to me. What's going on? Scott.
They're here. They broke my cellar window. They're inside. I'm in the
Oh
attic.
my God.
Okay. Listen carefully. You have your bat with you, right?
Aku merinding.
They still don't know where you are. Maybe they won't even find you, but you need to be prepared for confrontation, alright? If any one of them comes close to you and tries to attack you, defend yourself. Hit them with the bat. Try to knock them out. If they manage to grab you, if it comes to close contact, you kick them between the legs, stick your finger in their eyes, do whatever you can to incapacitate them. Don't let them overpower you. Stay calm, Scott. You can do this, alright? You can do this. Stay prepared and stay vigilant. Can you hear them at all? Are you sure they're inside?
They're
Oh
inside.
my
I can hear them.
God.
Where are they?
They're downstairs. I hear their footsteps.
Okay. They're down there. Just keep listening and let me know what's happening. I'm going to help you as much as possible.
Why isn't the police here yet? What's taking them so long?
They're on their way, Scott. They're heading there as we speak. They'll be there in no time.
Apa tuh?
They're coming upstairs.
Alright, Scott?
Aduh.
Scott, listen to me. From now on, you need to
Aduh,
stay
Scott.
quiet. Do not make any noise. I'm still here to help you, but you need to stay silent starting now.
Aduh, aku jantungan. Oh my
Scott, stay
God.
quiet.
My
Don't speak.
God.
I need help, please.
Don't speak. You need to stay quiet.
Oh no, Scott, tenang Scott.
Stop. Be quiet. They'll hear you.
Aduh, Scott, tenang.
Scott, please. You've got to stay calm. Don't make any noise. Scott. Scott, what's happening? Scott, talk to me. What's going on? I can help you. Talk to me.
No.
If they do break in, you need to fight back. Do you hear me?
Aduh, Scott, tenang Scott.
Scott, remember what I told you. Fight back. Do whatever it takes to take them down. Scott! Scott, talk to me.
They're not people.
What? Scott, what did you just
They're not people.
Apa itu?
They're not people.
Scott, what's going
They're
on?
not people.
Scott?
No, aduh.
Scott?
What? Astaga. Sumpah aku merinding denger endingnya. Oke. Aduh, aku masih merinding, guys. Sumpah, serem banget. Oke, kita coba bedah dari awal. Dari awal Scott mengatakan, aduh, aku non-stop merinding, aku masih merinding sampai sekarang. Merinding. Oke, kita bedah dari awal. Dari awal Scott mengatakan bahwa orang-orang yang membobol ini berpakaian serba hitam. Clue kedua, Scott mendengar mereka berbicara bukan dengan bahasa Inggris, tapi dengan bahasa yang tidak diketahui apa. Clue yang ketiga, mereka membawa lilin di dalam rumah orang-orang yang dibobol itu. Dan dari 3 clue ini, menurut aku pribadi, mungkin mereka adalah anggota sekte-sekte sesat, dan mereka mungkin sedang mencari korban untuk ritual. Itu menurut aku. Menurut kalian gimana? Coba komen di bawah. Sumpah, jujur guys, aku masih merinding sampai sekarang. Aku masih merinding. Non-stop merinding aku bayangin. Scott, mereka bukan manusia. Mereka bukan manusia. Dan dari cara Scott menyampaikan, kayaknya dia udah pasrah banget. Nah, pada malam hari itu, polisi 2 orang tadi yang diutus datang ke sana sampai di lokasi pada pukul 1.15 malam. Jadi semua kejadian ini terjadi dalam waktu 13 menit. Dan saat polisi di sana, mereka mengecek 3 rumah yang tadi diidentifikasi di dalam telepon itu. Rumah Jim, rumah Susan, rumah di sebelah rumah Jim, dan rumah Scott. Dan setelah diperiksa dan diselidiki, 3 orang menghilang, yaitu Susan Greer, Cole Hart, dan Scott Change yang menelpon tadi. Mereka menghilang tanpa jejak. Dan satu-satunya petunjuk dari kejadian ini hanyalah 3 foto yang tersebar online yang sumbernya nggak diketahui, dan foto-foto itu menunjukkan adanya semacam simbol-simbol dari darah, dari tengah-tengahnya ada lilin. Jadi hanya itulah clue dari kejadian ini, dan sampai sekarang kasus ini masih menjadi penyelidikan. Nah, aku sendiri nggak tahu nih, apakah rekaman ini atau semua kisah yang ada di dalam rekaman telepon 911 ini, apakah memang kejadian asli, apakah memang kasus asli, ataukah hanya cerita-cerita yang dibuat-buat. Aku juga nggak nemu informasinya. Kalau misalnya kalian tahu informasinya, komen di bawah. Tapi aku tetap mau tanya, menurut kalian gimana rekaman seram ini? Aku sampai sekarang nonstop merinding untuk ngebayanginnya. Jadi itu adalah video rekaman 911 pertama yang kita bahas di video ini. Masih ada rekaman-rekaman telepon 911 lainnya yang terseram, tapi kita sambung di part 2. Jadi sampai sini, ini dulu video mirror kita. Seperti biasa, klik like-nya kalau suka, dislike kalau tidak. Subscribe channel ini untuk berlangganan, dan klik loncengnya untuk dapat notifikasi kalau ada video baru. Jangan lupa tinggalkan komentar, kritik, dan saran untuk kemajuan channel ini. Dan jangan lupa share video ini ke teman-teman yang lain. Terima kasih sudah menonton, dan sampai jumpa di video-video selanjutnya.